Did you know the average person spends over 200 hours a year cooking, yet still struggles to get that perfect crispy texture without oil? Well, today changes that. Welcome back to the channel, friends. We are diving into the top 5 best air fryers of 2025, your shortcut to healthier, faster, tastier meals. Stick around and check the links in the description to grab your favorite one before it sells out. At number 5 is Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Fryer. Did you know most air fryers lose flavor balance when cooking large portions? The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Fryer fixes that effortlessly. With 25 cooking presets and 360-degree air circulation, it cooks every meal perfectly, crispy outside, juicy inside. Its 26-quart capacity easily handles family feasts, while the French door stainless steel design adds a premium touch. Unlike smaller models in the top 5 best air fryers 2025, this one feels built for real-life cooking, no uneven heating, no constant monitoring. The auto shutoff, dual-speed fan, and smart toast timer make it intuitive and stress-free. If you want a stylish, toxin-free, and high-capacity air fryer that truly delivers, this is your upgrade. Clean design, powerful results, and peace of mind, Emeril's fryer makes every meal feel restaurant-ready. At number 4 is GreenPan Bistro Air Fry. Did you know that many air fryers release hidden toxins while cooking your healthy meals? That's what makes the GreenPan Bistro Air Fry stand out. It is a breath of clean, safe air in modern kitchens. Priced at $199.99, this sleek, 9-in-1 multifunction oven lets you bake, broil, dehydrate, and even proof dough without a hint of fuzz, PFOA, or toxic coatings. Compared to others in the top 5 best air fryers 2025, it feels more refined and eco-conscious. The max heat technology ensures ultra-fast, even heating, while the cool touch handles and stainless steel design scream durability and comfort. It's roomy enough for a 13-inch pizza or 4 pounds of crispy fries, perfect for family nights. If you value safety, style, and precision, this fryer delivers it all, tested, trusted, and truly worth the countertop space. On number 3 is Nuwave Brio Plus. Did you know that most air fryers lose power and precision after a few months? That is where the Nuwave Brio Plus changes the game entirely. Priced at $159.99, this 2025 upgrade feels like it was engineered for perfection. With its advanced turbo-convection technology and 6-blade fan system, it cooks 4 times faster and 3 times more evenly than most competitors in the top 5 best air fryers 2025 lineup. The fuzz-free ceramic coating offers peace of mind, no hidden toxins, just clean, crisp meals every time. I love how its digital touchscreen and on-the-fly adjustments give you total control without interrupting the cooking process. Compared to models, Brio Plus feels more responsive and chef-tested. If you crave performance, safety, and futuristic design, this one truly earns its spot. At number 2 is Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze. Did you know you can now fry your favorite foods with 95% less oil and still get that golden, crispy perfection? Meet the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze, a game changer in the world of smart cooking. Priced at $89.93, this beauty stands out among the top 5 best air fryers 2025 lineup for one powerful reason: its TurboBlaze technology. With a fan speed of 3,600 revolutions per minute and heat control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers perfectly even results every single time. Unlike bulky models, Cosori's 6-quart ceramic-coated basket saves counter space while keeping toxins out of your food, totally fuzz and PFOA-free. It is whisper-quiet, easy to clean, and ideal for busy families craving fast, healthy meals. If you want speed, safety, and satisfaction in one, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze is absolutely worth it. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Crispi 4-in-1. What if I told you the power of a full-sized air fryer could now fit in the palm of your hand? That is exactly what the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 brings to the table, or should I say, your countertop. Priced at $159.95, this compact powerhouse redefines convenience in the top 5 best air fryers 2025 lineup. The Crispi Power Pod delivers fast, even cooking while the clean crisp glass containers guarantee non-toxic, chemical-free meals, a breath of relief for health-conscious users. Whether you are crisping fries, baking, or reheating leftovers, the results stay consistently crunchy and flavorful. Compared to bulkier options, this one saves time, space, and energy. If you crave safety, versatility, and smart cooking, the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 is absolutely worth your kitchen upgrade. And the winner among the top 5 best air fryers of 2025 is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze. Why? Because it is the perfect balance of power, safety, and affordability. With its TurboBlaze technology, ultra-fast 3,600 revolutions per minute fan, and toxin-free ceramic coating, it gives you crispy, golden perfection with 95% less oil. It is quiet, efficient, and easy to clean, making healthy cooking faster and stress-free. For under $100, this air fryer simply delivers more than it costs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best air fryers 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.